आबाद लिए चलते हैं जहां मुशीर खजाना शौकत तरीन तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Promoting trade competitiveness with enhanced transparency and efficiency. I therefore congratulate Pakistan Customs in taking the lead in this very important initiative and for putting in the necessary legal and institutional framework in place that will help develop a state-of-the-art system for taxpayer facilitation. The past 2 years have been difficult for global supply chains as international trade and transportation got affected by the disruptions caused due to the COVID-19 pandemic, resulting in multi-fold increase in the cost of production and shipping. Alhamdulillah, the worst seems to be over, and as economies begin to recover globally, we expect business activity to resume and in fact grow at a much faster pace. Pakistan and Pakistani businesses have to be ready for taking advantage of new opportunities. As a government, our priority is to facilitate businesses, including small and medium-sized businesses, by providing a suitable enabling environment for growth and innovation and improving their competitiveness by reducing the time and cost of doing business. By doing so, the single window will provide a comparative advantage to Pakistani businesses and trading community and enter new markets and enhance exports. Our government is actively pursuing the agenda of making Pakistan a hub for regional trade and transit and realizing the full impact of Pakistan's geostrategic and geoeconomic location. In this regard, a major milestone was achieved by operationalizing the TIR agreement and dispatch of transit consignments to Uzbekistan and Turkey. The Pakistan single window will further boost this effort of regional connectivity by effective use of ICT technologies, ensuring enhanced facilitation for trading across borders. Countering financial crimes and trade-based money laundering is one of our key priorities, and I'm delighted to know that by integrating with international shipping and banking databases, Pakistan single window will eventually enable seamless collection and dissemination of information to Customs, the State Bank of Pakistan, and other relevant agencies for prevention of such crimes and malpractices. I must highlight that no system can be successful unless it has ownership by its stakeholders and beneficiaries. I am delighted to note the broad-based collaboration and support from Pakistan's development partners, including the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, USAID and IFC, who have provided and continue to provide technical assistance and support to the PSW as well as to the other ministries and departments who have accepted and embraced the changes triggered by the implementation of the new system. Above all, I am glad to see Pakistani business community as active participants and collaborators of this reform initiative. The government of Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Insaf, considers the Pakistan business community to be the biggest asset of the country. It is these businessmen and women, entrepreneurs, industrialists, that will shape the future of Pakistan economy. I hope that Pakistani business community will continue to extend its support for making the single window more robust and help in its evolution to cater to the needs of the business. The government is fully committed to taking all possible measures to facilitate legitimate businesses and create an enabling environment for the growth of business activity in the country. Where the government is playing its role in facilitating the businesses, the business community also has the responsibility to play its role in the development of our beloved homeland. In the end, I once again congratulate Pakistan Customs, the single window team, and our international partners on the successful launch of Pakistan single window. I hope and pray to the Almighty that this project may bear the fruits as we expect and leads to the prosperity and growth of our country.